السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. ليان. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. السلام
السلام
عليكم.
عليكم.
ايوه يا ليان، عامله ايه؟
الحمد لله.
ايه المشكله في الدخول يا ليان؟
مكنتش بس عارفة افتحه.
مم. طيب، عشان بس يعني احنا اتاخرنا خالص النهارده، يعني الوقت بيبقى ضيق وساعات ممكن ما اقدرش اعوض الوقت ده بعد الحصه. ف معلش نحاول اكتر نلتزم بس بالموعد. بلغي ماما او بابا او اختك اللي داخل معاكي يعني. تمام.
هجيب سبق.
نعم.
تمام.
تمام. طيب ايه اخبار الدرس اللي فات يا ليان؟ تمام.
اه، هروح بس اقفل الباب.
اتفضل.
يلا.
scientific inquiry activities, is it okay?
Yeah.
Do you want me to repeat anything?
Okay.
Sure. Sure about it?
Yeah.
Yes. Today we'll talk about another life processes. We talked about life processes that they are processes that only living organisms can do or living things can do. In this course or in year 3, we are focusing about uh, 4 life processes, which are movement, reproduction, nutrition,
Reproduction, nutrition,
and
and
growth.
and
Okay, this year we'll talk
okay.
about these 4 life processes. We'll start with movement. What do you think? Why animals move?
Have young reproduct,
Yes, try to find a
need
mate.
food and water, grow.
Yes, yes. No, these are life processes, but it can move to find a partner or to find a mate. These are life processes. Movement, have young, reproduction, need food and water, grow. They are life processes. I'm talking about what do you think? Why animals move?
They have young babies. They need food and water.
Yes, searching for food and water. Yes, true. Or searching for a partner or a mate. Mate, a partner for the animal. Searching for another partner for itself. Reasons of the movement of animals. The first thing, trying to find water, like this wildebeest. Wildebeest move from one place to another to find water and food. To find water and food. They move a very long distance. They move a very, very long distance. They migrate. What's the meaning of migrate? Do you know? Migrate, it's to move, movement from one place to another according to the season. According to the season. Here, wildebeests migrate in the dry season, in summer. In summer, in their home or their grassland where they live, it's a dry season. There is no rains, no water, so no food. They move from their habitat or the place they are living in to another place due to the season. In the dry season, they leave their home and go to another place to try to find food and water. So migration or the animal to migrate or migration is to move from one place to another according to the season. According to the season. Wildebeest leave their land in the dry season. The dry season, no water. There is no water in their place they living in. So they leave this place and move to another place in the dry season. I will show you a video about the migration of wildebeest.
Okay.
Can you see the screen now?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Here wildebeest move a very, very long distance. Can you see them? In large numbers, millions of wildebeest move from their place where they live to another place. It's a very, very long distance because at the place they live, dry season is very hard. No water, no food. So they leave their place they are living in and go to another place. This is called migration. Migration is movement due to season. It's okay? They travel in groups. Travel in groups from their habitat, the place where they live. From the place they live to another place to find food and water. This is called migration. Wildebeest is from the animals that move during dry season from the place they are living in. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's continue. So the reasons that animals move, the first reason is to find food. The first one is to find food and water, food and water. The second reason, to avoid danger. When the animal faces danger in the place where they live, they move. As what? Danger as what? Danger as a predator animal. Predator animal is the animal who eat another animal. Like what? Do you know any predator animal?
Like lion, like tiger,
Good. Excellent. Excellent, Ray.
like dog.
Dog? Dog, lion?
No.
Okay. So predator animals are animals who fed on another animal. When the prey, like giraffe or zebras, face a danger from a predator animal, they leave their place and move to another place. So facing danger or to avoid danger is a reason for movement from one place to another. So I have two reasons. The first one, the animals move to find food and water. The second one, the animals move to avoid danger. Okay?
Yeah.
Another reason is to find a mate. Find a mate, which means to find a partner. The male trying to find a female, or a female try to find the male. This is the reason for movement. Animals can move from one place to another, searching for mate or partner. Partner is if the male searching for a female or female searching for a male. Okay, Layan? We have here
Okay.
three reasons. The first one, find food and water. The second one, escaping or avoiding danger. The third one is to find a partner. The fourth one, if the climate or the weather is very cold. If the weather in the place where the animal lives is very cold, they try to leave their place and searching for a new place in which has climate suitable for the animal that can live in. Okay, there are four reasons now.
Okay.
What are the four reasons for movement, Lan? The first one,
Need
finding
food and
food.
water.
Yes, finding food and water.
Finding food and water,
The second,
including humans.
yes, we move also to find food and water. When I am hungry now, what can I do? I can go to the kitchen and prepare a sandwich or food or a plate of food. So I move. Why do I move? I move because I am searching for food, because I am hungry. So human also can move to search for food. Animals and human move to search for food. So the first reason for movement of animals or humans is to find food and water. The second reason is to avoid danger. The third one is to find a partner. The fourth one is to search for a place with suitable climate or weather which is suitable for the animal to live in. If the weather is too cold or too hot, the animal can't bear it. So it may die. Animal may die if they live in a weather which is not suitable for the animal. If the polar bear live in desert, can it bear this situation?
Where is it, miss?
يعني لو البولر بير which live in snow, this polar bear leave its habitat أو leave its place, leave the polar region and go to live in the desert. Can polar bear live in a desert? No,
maybe no.
no, because the weather is not suitable for the polar bear. طيب, can the camel leave the desert and move to live in the polar region? No, the weather in the polar
No.
region isn't suitable for the camel. So each animal has a place where it's suitable for it to live. If the weather changes, the animal can't live in this place. تمام؟
تمام.
Okay. But this is the reasons of movement of the animal. So animals can move by different ways. They can move by different ways. Can you move by different way? Layan?
Yeah.
What the ways you can move with?
To move, to play, to
Play. You can run.
go to the
The way,
supermarket.
the way of movement. The way of movement. You can run or jump, walk. You can hop. You can do all these things, right?
Right.
Right. Animals also has ways to move. We found animals can run, or some animals can walk. Some other animals can jump, and other animals can hop. The other can swim. The other can fly. The other can crawl.
The other can run.
Yes, run. So animals have different ways of movement. Each animal has its own way to move. Some animals can run, others can't run, can only walk. Others can't walk or run, they fly in the air. Others can swim in water only. Others can crawl. Like what crawling animals? Like snake.
Like I took last year.
What happened last year?
I took last year.
I can't hear you. What last year?
I took it last year.
Yes, good, Layan. Excellent. You took it last year, yes. So each animal had a way to move. But we'll show you a video of the movement of animals. Wait with me, please.
Thanks.
I will show you now. Wait a minute, please. Here it is. Okay. We will see the different ways of movement of animals. This is a kangaroo can jump. A polar bear can walk. Horses run and walk. Turtle can swim. Birds can fly. These animals, deer or can walk and run. This goats can run. And the crawling animals, the snake.
Okay.
This kangaroo can jump.
Okay.
Is it clear, Layan?
Yeah, miss.
So these are the ways of the movement of animals. Each animal has its own way in the movement. We have a special animal which move in a special way. What is this animal? The spider. The spiders move in a way which is special, kind of special. They move by a way called kiting or ballooning. Kiting or ballooning. What's the meaning of kiting or ballooning? Kiting or ballooning is that the spider climb very high as he can. Very, very high. Then he produce silk threads from its mouth and then travel in the wind. This is a special way only spiders can do. Do you watch film about Spider-Man? Sure. Layan,
Yes, Miss.
have you ever watched a video about Spider-Man?
Yes, one
Yes.
time only.
Yes. Do you remember the way that he can move between buildings?
No.
Produce a silk threads from its hand, like the spider. This is the way of the movement of the spider. The real spider move by this way. The real spider, what did it? It moved by kiting. Kiting, which means to climb as high as possible. The first thing, the spider climb as high as possible. The second thing is to produce silk thread. Watch this video.
Okay, Miss.
Here, the spider climbed high. He climbed high. Now the spider is in a high place. Then it will produce a...
Yeah.
Yes. Spider produce silk thread. Then he use this thread to travel in the wind.
Miss, can I go take a tissue?
Okay.
Miss, no.
Yes. We are talking about spiders and the way of movement of spiders. We talked about it. It can climb. The first thing, it climb high as it can. Then it produce this silk thread, and then it travel on the
We
wind.
will teach 1 hour or half hour.
لا, complete hour.
Hour?
Yes. Do you want to leave now?
Yeah.
Why?
No. Okay.
مش عايزة تكملي ساعة تقصدي ولا عايزة تكملي ساعة؟
عادي.
تمام، احنا هنكمل بس سوا مع بعض شوية علشان احنا اصلا اتأخرنا في البداية بتاعتنا، فهنكمل سوا
ماشي.
مع بعض. في مشكلة؟ طيب عندك حاجة تاني بعد
لا.
يعني عندك حاجة الساعة 4؟
لا.
تمام. We are talking about the spider. Is the way of movement of the spider, is it clear or I repeat it?
No. It's okay.
It's okay. So the spider move by a way called kiting or ballooning. Kiting or ballooning is to climb high, very high, then produce a silk thread from its mouth, then it travel on the wind using this silk thread. Another special way of moving is the beetle. Beetles roll. Beetles can roll to move. So the ways of movement are running, jumping, swimming, flying, and crawling. Some animals have their special way of movement, like beetles roll, and spiders move by kiting or ballooning. Kiting or ballooning is that the spider climbs as high as it can, then it produces silk threads in the air and uses these threads to travel on wind. Okay, Raya?
Yes.
Okay. How do you move each day? You can run. Lion can run.
Okay.
I can run, but I can't jump. I am too fat to jump. I can walk, but I can't run. I can walk. Lion can walk, can run, can jump, can hop. Also do children. Okay. This is the movement. In this activity, how do the animals below move? How do this animal move, Lian?
Swim.
Swim. This animal,
Fly.
fly. This animal, cricket,
Jump.
jump. Excellent. Cheetah,
Run.
run. The reason of movement, we have 4 reasons for movement. The first one, searching for food and water. The second one, to escape from danger. The third one, to find a mate or partner. The fourth one is to avoid unsuitable climate. So what the kind of danger does cheetah faces?
He can run. Can run.
Can run. What's the danger that can faces cheetah? Cheetah is a predator animal. Cheetah is a predator animal. Do they face
Cheetah.
danger? Yes, from hunters. Hunters want to hunt this cheetah, so it may face danger. Right?
Right.
Right. Cheetah may face danger of hunters, so it can escape from danger also. Like prey animals, like giraffe or elephant or zebras. It's okay. This is movement. We will complete our activity. Okay. Here he asking me, why do animals move? What's the reason of animal to move? The first one, make a list of life processes. What are the life processes, Diane?
To find food for
Right, life processes. Movement, growth, nutrition, production. Make a list of the life processes. We have 4 life processes. We are focusing on them. Movement, reproduction, nutrition, and growth. Okay, Diane?
Okay.
Look at the box below. Which are good reasons for animal moving? Which are not good reasons? These are reasons for movement. We will know which one is a real reason or a good reason for movement and which one is not a good reason for movement. The first one, animals move to find food. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yes. Animals move for a change.
Yes.
Change of what?
For another place.
Here, change for fun. Change here is for fun, not for a reason. Like human. So it's not a reason for animals. For a change here is for fun. No. Number 2 is not a reason, or it's not a good reason. Right, Leah?
Right.
Right. Number 3. 3, to keep warm.
Keep warm.
Is it a good reason?
Yeah.
Yes. Number 4, to find a mate. Is it a good reason?
Yes.
Yes. 5, because it's Tuesday.
Not a good reason.
Not a good reason. Number 6, to find water.
It's a good reason.
Good reason. Number 7,
Good. To find a place to live. Yes. Good
yes,
reason.
it's a good reason. Number 8, to hide.
To get away from danger.
Yes, number
Good
8,
reason.
good reason. You forget this number 8, to hide. Is it a reason
To
to move
hide.
to hide? Good reason?
No.
Why no? To hide.
Yes.
Yes, it's a good reason to hide from a predator animal or to hide from a hunter. So it faces danger. So it moved to hide. Yes, it's a good reason for movement. To get away from danger. Yes, it's a good reason for movement. This is an orangutans. Orangutans is type of monkeys. Their body color is orange, so they are called orangutans. They move by climbing the trees. Okay, Layan?
Okay.
Okay. We'll show this activity here. He's talking about car, washing machine, robot. Cars move. Yes, cars can move. Washing machine can vibrate. Sometimes some washing machine can vibrate or move. Robots can move. Does that mean that they are living things? Because of the movement, the car can move, the washing machine can move, robot can move. Are they living things?
No.
No. Why?
Because they not eat, they not have young babies.
Yes. And their movement is not for a reason or is not for a good reason. They are not moving, searching for water or food or escaping from danger. No. This movement is about its normal movement. But they aren't living things. They are non-living things. They can't make any life processes except moving. They can't eat. They can't drink. They can't have babies or young. They can't grow. So they are non-living things even if they can move. Okay, Layan?
Okay.
Okay. This is movement. We have end movement. Movement as a life process is to move from one place to another, searching for water or food or partner or escaping from danger or searching for a good climate or weather. This is movement. It's okay? Migration or the animal to migrate is to move from one place to another according to the season, like wild beasts. Wild beasts move from their place to another place due to the beginning of the dry season or summer season, which is dry, has no rain. So water is absent and food is absent. So they leave the place where they live and go to another place containing water, containing food, containing partners. They migrate in groups. Okay? We have another word called hibernate. Hibernate is an action that animals do. Hibernate meaning to spend the winter in the same place. To spend the winter in the same place. تمام يا ليان؟
تمام.
تمام. We have talked about migration. We've talked about hibernate. This is the life movement as a life process. Okay, we'll continue to another life process. The following life process is the growth. We are talking about growth. All living things can grow. Grow is to increase in size, increase in the size of the body. This is called growth. Growth only happen in living things only. Living things only can do life processes. Growth is one from the life processes only living things can do. Animals start as young. All animals start as young. At the beginning, they were young. Also, human starts as young. The young of human called babies. We are all start as babies. I was a baby. You was a baby. You still baby. I was a baby. Okay, for all living things grow. They start young, then they begin to increase in size. and converted from a baby to an adult. Adult is a stage in which the growth stops. The growth process stops at when the living organism become an adult. When the living organism or the living thing become an adult, the growth stops. Is it true or false, Layan? We are continue growing all the time.
All the time.
We are continue growing all the time.
Not all the time.
Not all the time. Until we become an adult. Once we are an adult, I am an adult. Do I still growing all the time? No. I'm not growing now. I am an adult. I am not growing. Who grow? Babies grow. Children grow. Teenagers grow. When they become an adult, they stop growing. We all living organisms, almost not all living organisms can grow until they become an adult or they reach the maturity. Maturity is to be an adult. فهماني يا ليان؟
أي.
تمام، يعني كلنا all living things grow. بنكبر في الحجم، بنبقى babies، بنكبر شوية، بنبقى toddler, then children, then teenager, then an adult. When we become an adult, الgrowth stopped. احنا خلاص مش بنكبر تاني، لأن احنا خلاص بقينا adult. adult زي مين؟ زي أنا adult. أنا I'm not doing growth. Life process growth. When I am an adult, it stopped. So we stop growing when we become an adult. Babies can grow, toddler grow, child grow, teenager grow, an adult
Grow.
an adult.
And not grow.
No, the growing stop at the adult when we reach maturity. When we reach maturity or become an adult, the growth stop. When we reach maturity, Layan, human reach their maturity or human become an adult at the age of 18 to 20. 18 to 20 years old, the human are adults and the growing stop. اوكي؟ يبقى احنا الانسان بيوصل ان هو يبقى بالغ يعني adult، يعني حصل له maturation يعني خلاص كبر. growth process stopped at this age at 18 to 20 will stop growing. اوكي ليان؟
Okay.
Okay. Plants also can grow. Plants are living things, so they can grow. Plants starts as seed. Plants at the first stage is a seed. Then these seeds grow and grow and grow to become a plant. Bigger and become a plant. So all living things. بصي الميتنج هيخلص يا ليان، ادخلي تاني، هبعت لك لينك تاني ادخلي عليه، بس حاولي ما تتأخريش. تمام؟
ماشي.
اوكي تمام. الplants قلنا starts as a seed, the animal starts as young, the human starts as a baby. They all can grow until they reach, human can grow until they reach maturity. Maturity is being an adult. When human become an adult, its growth stop. So okay, Layan?
Yes.
Yes. The things that are not alive